fire protection, fire safety performance gaps. Out of sight shouldn't mean out of mind, yet passive fire protection is the most overlooked safety sector in modern property management. Some building managers are sitting on a ticking time bomb and don't even know it. While you're checking fire extinguishers, the invisible systems protecting building structural integrity have been compromised. If a fire starts today, your compliant building might still fail catastrophically because what's hidden is defective. A building can be compliant when it's completed, but is it still performing as originally designed years later? A fire safety performance gap can develop when building alterations, maintenance or renovations change the way fire safety systems perform, without considering the original fire engineering design. Passive fire protection can be unintentionally compromised through unsealed or inadequately fire-stopped penetrations. A common example occurs in residential top-floor apartments that rely on fire-rated ceiling systems to provide the required fire separation between the apartments and the roof space. These ceilings are not simply an architectural finish, they are an integral part of the building's fire safety strategy, designed to prevent a fire in one apartment from spreading through the roof space to the other apartments. Problems arise when owners or contractors install downlights, exhaust fans, air conditioning units or other services without appropriately fire-stopping the new penetrations. Although these alterations may appear minor, they can significantly reduce the fire resistance performance of the ceiling system. In many cases, the underlying issue is not poor workmanship alone, but a lack of awareness. If the fire safety function of a building element is not clearly communicated during handover, future owners, occupants and contractors may unknowingly compromise the building's fire safety. This presentation was brought to you by CJK Fire and Safety. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.